Fluid film is actually a lanolin-based, non-hazardous, non-toxic product. When applied to a metal, it actually soaks into the pores, creates a thin barrier that stops all oxygen and moisture from getting to it. Without the oxygen, you can't have corrosion. It doesn't have to be a completely clean surface to apply the product, as you can actually apply it to a previously existing rusted surface, and it actually soaks into that rust, gets to the clean metal underneath it, and actually completely stops it from going any further. You can see just for overuse from being knocked and whatnot, but this is really the ideal time. Just a quick dab, keep that structural integrity in the metal. It'll also keep those bolts lubricated for if you ever do need to remove anything. But really any exposed metal in here in these harsh conditions to help it out and keep it from getting any worse.